want to gain. Everyone just become politician. Whether people are feeling that the killing of the colonization of Nigeria or the S-men killing people in Edo State is going to get to Spain, I don't know, or it's going to get to any part of the Europe. But the way people are showing deaf ear to this thing, maybe I'm the one not really getting it clear. That's why I've started my prayer already. God, give me the same mind that these people has, so that I will not be using my own regret to start disturbing anybody. It is very dehydrating today that the same thing the farmer complained in 2019, they complained 2020, 2021 they are still complaining. And this is a state we have leaders. We have political leaders. We have traditional rulers. We have ministers. We have judges and all of that. Now, what is the purpose of having a leader in the society? What is the purpose of having a leader in a society? If your leader cannot really do the needful, and the more I would have even put the head in there that some enoge, I've been saying about this thing because I think we're almost getting to the concluding part of my own session of it. I've tried my best. A lot of people have hated me for speaking the truth. There's no problem about that. Every time I'm not going to the windows, that one is certain. But my next prayer is that everybody is going to give account of his still worship at the end of the day. Now, what I'll be saying in 219 precisely about this excessive killing of our farmers, our mothers, our brothers, our sisters going to farm, it continues up to now. People are still lamenting. Even the video I'm going to play to you right now will make you to give up on Nigeria. From the federal level up to the local, it will make you to give up. So we are just trying to sugarcoat things. A lot of people, they are just trying to use assumption as if it's working. Nothing is working. Nothing is working. Nothing is working. People who goes to farm, they know what they are going through. But people does not go fear is well. So let's play the video. Let's start playing the video from here.
My yam, they finish my corn, both garri, we not get garri again. Everything gone, no, nothing remain. Nothing remain for the farm again. Which community from Ugonaba, yes. Yam, plantain, cassava. If you go to my farm and no cassava, no plantain stand again. Okay. They finish all. You be farmer?
Where I be farmer?
Now connect with this one there.
Yes, now come on something for corn after connecting.
Nothing happen.
Lama don't destroy our crops. We don't see where they farm again. We don't get any food again. All about the house now, we don't go farm again. I was that for sure.
And you know to talk to us, herdsmen.
Yes, man. And the worst part of it, just after he here, they do kidnap people there. They kidnap everybody for here.
They kidnap people.
Kidnap everybody. Even one commissioner, now they will kidnap his wife. Now this herdsmen they could do it.
Now, if you look all over Nigeria now, with this shortage of food now for Nigeria, farmers know they feel go farm again. What they concern you for this matter?
What they concern me be say, this herdsman enter my farm, finish my garri, my corn, my plantain, yam, I don't get anything. I dey beg for food. Nothing again. I go find that they kidnap us. So no woman no dey go again.
They rape woman.
That they rape us for Ubanya community for bush. We not dey go.
I go there, I go see her.
You go there. He dey.
Herdsmen, I don't talk. Come on, so now they use that to feed their cow. Just enter inside the farm.
Let them come and see.
Just come and see.
Just come and see.
Now herdsmen, I don't got this too. Yeah, not be the owner of farm. Yeah. It's here now. See today. Not the root so. That's what they root and they give their cow.
Okay, you not farmer? Yes. What happen?
See.
my farm, yam, gari, corn, it don't finish. So to my greatest surprise, I use 100,000 tied the farm fence. And we persuade with your daughter. Yeah. Listen, then I go to Ogoneki police station. That is why I said we don't have police there. The man said, my husband and wife case, the DPO there say, I ain't settle. After them, I go quiet. I reach your quiet and say, well, no, already the outside man come. Yes, man. Yes, man. I still try, catch one of the cow, go give them. Since 2 months, I not hear from the Okwai police division. I go ask them. Go ask them. I want beg federal government and I want beg state government. We don't see say this herdsmen attack all over Nigeria. Don't get us to be. Oh yeah, bandits. Oh yeah, Boko Haram. Oh yeah, but this herdsmen. You don't get us to be.
My name is Vincent Oseba. I come from Gunoba. I be farmer. If you reach my farm today, I sack a machine bag of garipu for ground. Herdsmen reach there, use collar state here the bag. You give the cow some of the shopper. I will come pursue my wife. Luckily, I go church before. I said, I go meet my wife for farm. After they go on the road, I see my wife. We collapse where the rock come from. What happened? He said, "Now herdsmen, now the pursue her. Now for them, we will call run." So for me to save my life and my wife a life, now we call run. But the following day when I reach, because he say, see the way cow shop the garden where they ground there. All the corn when I plant, if cow open mouth like that, now say go chop the corn. He go bang. Now say go to chop all the corn. He finish all the corn where they my farm. He finish garden. My farm where that time. Sorry, the young when I type for bank, 25 roll of young when I type for bank. Now so they lose their gift cow, they shop all of the feed. So I can't run. See what I write for my banana. As I'm a governor.
Those state government should help us put a stop to cow issue. We are not report to Nainoke for this community.
No, I'm not going to say. I'm not going to don't collect money. As president now, we don't go knock the house. We don't go there this morning. We don't rock man for us. He don't rock man for us.
So what do you want me to do
Now,
now?
I think some of the things I'll be telling you right from day one is what is happening right now. I told you that your leader is a problem. I think I've said this several times with that number. For those of you that be grumbling for new thing, I think God will punish you from today. I think you just heard from the Aussies man. For those of you, by one way or the other, you have grumbled for me because I talked to your leader. Now God will fire you there. You have it now. This is what is happening. Now, must you even, if you are sensible enough and you are not spiritually blind or you are not brain dead, you should be able to forecast right now what's happening. Your leader is your problem. They are your problem. They are your problem. Not you say so, they were put stick put. You are going to be hearing more confession. I just pause it then I write down the minute. Your leader is your problem. They sold you out. Then you feel Nnamdi Kanu is your problem? They are not looking for Nnamdi Kanu. It is you they are looking for. Now rat with their house. Now they tell the one with their house, I say something their house. Your leader is your problem. Then why do you think they kept muted? How does a leader supposed to display? If they are leaders, when something is happening, that's why you elect them. You did not elect them to be, worshiping, no. When it comes for them to discharge their duty, they have to discharge it effectively without not even complaining. That's why for those of you who grew up with your father and your mother, at times your mom have not eaten. He will warm the last food in the house and give to you to eat. You have not. He will say, "You worry, then your mom will come does go to Sogari. You tell you, say, why worry so far and cover? That's how to know it. Now, why is people so useless? Why have you not been able to find out your problem? Do you think the old leaders we have, if they tell full and they come on for your community, do you think they are not going to leave? They will leave under 24 hours because they want them. I'm going to be playing this one. I say for 2 weeks now, I know get wrong because you have collected money. You have collected money, right? The same thing happened during last year now. I talked about it. So I've been on this. That's why I'm coming again. I'm just recapping right now. I'm almost packing my load. Do you know what I'm going to be doing? Because there's time and season for everything. A time for me to cry for you is almost getting over. Then you're going to be seeing me laughing doing more than what some two people are doing in social media today. I think we'll have people from Omo, Ogonek, and all of other. Which program are you following? These very villages now, there are many abroad. They don't care. Your ancestral land is about taken from you. But you are parabolating here and there, as if it's not his problem. Do you look at me as a villager? I don't think I'm a villager. Let's continue playing this very video. Let's continue. Thank God I will write this thing down.
Come for us. You don't come for us.
Listen.
So what do you want me to do?
Let's start it from here again.
The young with that type for back. 25 roll of young with that type for back.
Please, if you are watching,
they
sir.
give cow, they shop all of the feed. So I can't run. See what I write for my banana. As I'm a governor.
Those state government
Yes.
should help us put a stop to cow issue. We are not report to Nainoke for this community.
No, I'm not going to say. I'm not going to don't collect money. As president now, we don't go to the house.
Huh?
We don't go there this morning. We don't rock man for us. He don't rock man for us.
So what do you want me to do now?
I make a governor, Basekio, our able president, excellency, Omanoba, may they come to our aid, may they help us.
Then the cow come over on a bush.
Yes, we don't need herdsmen again.
But now farmers not fit go farm again.
The farmer for over 3 months will not dey enter farm. Woman not dey enter. Immediately any woman enter, they go chase am out. Anyone when he resist, they go, if they not rape am, they go kill am. Over 3 months now we not dey go garri. As all of us there now we dey buy garri when we get garri for farm. When they go reach our farm, they go root our garri, give their cow go dey chop am. Even this year farm now when we farm, it don't finish. Garri when we person like me now, garri when I take 18,000 plant this year. Cow don't root and finish, you not dey ground again. You don't root and they go don't root down. And they see them. If you say make we go down, then we go. May we go now, not be say, may I take my talk and may we go see am. See me and see you, may we go. Over a month now, we never
Okay,
enter
what do you
farm.
want me to do now?
Now make them quit. Make them quit. Make them quit. We don't want them again. Make them quit. Make them quit. I go from Accra, I take off from farm. The way they take up my garri, they just root my garri, give cow, make them eat. Now Accra, I go and take my cow. I will go Accra, give our audio where they say, what is it make I do? Make we go Accra to Omonoba. So now we don't need the cow. We need make them come up for our land.
How they chop your garri for
The
farm?
router give them, router give them, make them chop.
Okay.
Yes.
Now you see the statement this woman made that he will go meet the Enogi. The Enogi referral may go meet his Royal Highness. So who is to be blamed here? Are you to blame Nnamdi Kanu or who you are to blame? I think you are to blame your head. You are a bastard. You are to blame your head. You are a fucking idiot. The most useless people I've seen in my life lately are just some people we came out from the same, whether from the same Edo State or whatever. Okay, how will you sleep in this kind of situation? Then you will have sweet dreams. That to say you are the wicked person here. These are people government not get what they do for them. They not get what they do for them. Nobody help these people. They are just farmers. You want to go to farm, you know what it takes. After clearing, you burn it, you plant, then somebody will deliberately carry his own animal to go and graze your crops. This will not be waiting grass cutter. They eat those the way they'll say grass cutter enter farm. At time you can't go to look for medicine when you want buy. This will not be that one. They use it to take out their personal cow. And the same time, who owns the cow? Now this some of these Enogi now get the cow. Then why are we leaving our major problem? A discovered enemy is a defeated enemy. Not until you know your problem, no solution. I think they are still lamenting since tonight. They are lamenting, but oh what damn? If these are these people just going to lose their life, war never come now. Now a lot of things do happen in war. I've explained it here several times with that number. Hunger they keep person for war. Not be everybody bullet they meet. No, hunger they keep person for war. At times you lack water, Because where you run enter, you can't get water to drink. A lot of people have been dislodged. They know they pray make it happen. How is Igbo man your problem right now? Is Igbo man the audience way of where they are? Don't you see the atrocity that is happening? I'll be saying it. Okay, do you think I need to wait for somebody to come and give me? People don't give me. It is God that gives me information. I will look at some certain scenario. I've already know what's happening. I know the atrocity your leaders they perform. That's why they are not speaking, because they have already eaten the money. You know, when a leader over open eye for money, this is what the people go through. All of them, they are still lamenting. This is a place that have a leader. Where's our politician today? Where's our politician? Where are the people criticizing Togba? Why not also speak for these women? At least in America, women now. Let even have to assume na 4+4 now do na something. I get 4+4 we go there does na natural does saver. Why not also agitate for these people for them not to be killed? I think it would be a failure on my side if I were supposed to protect my ancestral land, which is Roniborian ones a whole, for example. Then I couldn't do anything about it. That's why I have discharged my duty. If Olo Kunro is also going to kill anybody, you know people that is going to kill, because I gave out my best. I gave out my Isaac already. I know what I've contributed, both on phone call, both on advocacy and all that. So you see that the name you people always wanted to always give people, at the end of the day, you are going to bear that name. Then you guys are saying, who was in your segene? Why are seeing your segene over my head? Is it by fighting on social media or by talking about the things that affect your people? Is it by talking on social media or protecting a building, or you have to protect your ancestral land? Martivism is not to protect one building. Martivism is to make sure the whole state is okay. Which assistance for this money? They are not in my. I do tell you, I don't even have a stepsister that go to farm. If any of my cousins go to farm, I don't even know. Maybe our distance is far. I don't have anybody in the village. But why am I concerned? Why not? Okay, look at social media. This is not Biafra land. Though. This is Edo State. This is not Biafra land. This is Edo State. And we have a lot of presenters in this very space who are supposed to be talking about this very thing. Now, how are we going to evict these people away from our forest? The way the good Biafra have already did. The good Biafra that are sensible, they know what's right to before them. The good people of Edo State, they know what's about to before them. Do you know how many times the governor of the state have called several times? They go key today. He go call them. He go settle them. Your voice can change things from this social media. But instead, we are looking for cheaper program to do. A lot of people right now, they are feeling disappointed. They are now lamenting. I think, let me continue playing the video for me to further buttress my point. Let me see, please, further. Let's start this one.
Okay. Yes, but this matter with the apple for our community. The truth are nothing but the truth with the apple. Ogado General, now very strong matter. This matter a strong issue. The issue where we dey here be say now between life and property. These people where you see everybody where they here now found that they train at their children. Extend to international standard. As they talk now, if don't let them they go farm. Because of Catoriera, Esme, they did bush with their AK-47. As they talk now, today na market, everybody will see so they're supposed to not carry their farm product go market now. Fear not let them go to general. Why? Because of Fulani, then they. And the problem where they be say, the Fulani don't confirm. Since almost 1990, this problem they grant. They agree now say that they settle. Our community leader.
Yes.
They settle.
Thank God say you dey here for other place, but here it don't work because we too patient. We don't dey sleep since then. But wetin come dey happen here now, not be only crops they come dey disturb. Herdsmen, 3 group like that, they enter my farm, I open eye, they look them when they disturb my crops. Attempt make I tell them say, make they come on for farm, go dey chop. They say, make I go meet Saraki, the Enoge. Say now if they don't settle down, now I make them they chop anything. I say garri na wheat, corn na wheat. Say make I go tell Enoge. Say now I collect money when they make they do am.
Now, I think after this very time, I'm going to activate every prayer I'm going to be praying for you this night. For those of you who have stupidly started insulting me for fighting for what is good for the people, what I came for is for the dying ones. I did not come for you in abroad. I did not come to because you doesn't need help. I don't think you need activism. I think these people need to be saved. The same way you feel you value your life today, you are in diaspora, may God punish you there. I think these people want to live. I think they want to live also. They want to live. It's not all about you. It is not all about what you feel. These people want to live. Now God created them. You want first go to farm. You want first suffer even more than these people. Now who is going to take care of these very people? How is this problem going to solve? Whether now your enemy they talk something they come out. If you are not brain dead, add your voice to it. We are no longer looking at the vehicle right now. Look how they drive the vehicle. Forget about the color where the vehicle be. Enter the vehicle where they go where they go. I think the whole thing is escalating. You just have right now. Say maybe they go meet Saraki. Maybe they go meet the Anoge. And this is what have I not be talking about it? Did I be talking about it? Did I be talking? Now few one way they know now they confess right now. Billions of naira were paid to your Janjaweed leaders for you to be killed. Because you are in abroad does not concern you. And what pains me more, these people, they don't even know what's happening. Most of them, they are not even like, they have no data. But you, when they see what they happen, you are trying to suffocate the people who would have speak for these people. And I want to be praying tonight in the mighty name of as many people that will die because of your stupidity. May they call you. You will die, follow them. A society where people don't want to hear the truth. Such society never grow. It will never in life grow. Most of you hawk when you were growing up now. You do follow your mom to be farm. Right now, farmer life does not matter right now in Nigeria. Farmer, they are useless. The same food where you order for when you go to buy for Africa shop. Now, this same farmer, now they produce them. Without farmer here abroad, no Europe. Farmers, without farmer here, the respect whether they give farmer here, they know they give them to who they make phone. Now only Nigerian farmer can die. How many senators talk about it? It does not concern anybody now. But all these idiots who they jant, who take una the Kano as their personal problem. They doesn't care. But did you hear Igbo man here right now? Did you hear una the Kano or Manzi for all these things? Stupid set of people. If you want to go to farm and you are not agitating for these people to be free, all you do is to come and be suffocating or discouraging people that are fighting for the well-being of the people. I curse you today. You will wither. Don't stand in these people's way to get their freedom. We know what your leader is doing. That's why we are insulting them. And any of your leader that have collected money or who is instigating this problem for this farmer to be killed, their generation will be wiped out from the face of this earth. Someone must have to correct this error. At least, una carry oye. Now they sell land, they go. Okay, why also collect money from this Fulani, but they go to chop people farm? Is this one of wickedness? This is wickedness to the highest order for crying out loud. This is wickedness. This is pure wickedness. Pure wickedness. Then all of them don't dare abroad. You don't even know tomorrow. 70 years, you should be relocated back home because here cannot contain you. Here not going to contain you at the age of 70. Everybody will know that one. They are going to start deporting you by themselves because no place for idiots like you who have no country. How will you stay abroad 20 years right now, yet your country is not still good? It doesn't bug you. It doesn't bug you. We all left home. Okay, now let's go and make some money and come back. If people like me know that Nigeria go be water like this, me for not come down, for don't feast and since. If it is possible right now for us to go home, let our cattle and go back home and feast of the community. And right now we are seeing the truth. You always hear the truth from this platform here. God will speak to us. I've told you several times. I'm just doing recap here right now. On a very good day, you will look for me, you will not see me again. Because everything I'm saying here, nobody have courage to do it. Nobody. Because all of them, they have who they worship. I don't worship anybody. I say the way it is. I'm not going to start doing investigations, say, give me the Enoge name. It is your Enoge that have sold you out. The records are there. These people, they are not lying. This is not time of election. This is not election time. You are still going to hear more that will blow up your mind. Let's go further. Me will be not dey play long audio like this. Before I come play this long audio, you should know where there is something happening.
As they talk now, they don't let them they go farm because of Catoriera, Esme, they did bush with the AK-47. As we talk now, today na market, everybody will see so they're supposed to not carry their farm product go market now. Fear not let them go to general. Why? Because of Fulani then they. And the problem where they be say the Fulani don't confirm since almost 1990 this problem they grant. They agree now say that they settle. Our community leader.
Yes.
They settle.
Thank God say you dey hear for other place, but here it don't worse because we too patient. We don't dey sleep since then. But wetin come dey happen here now, not be only crops they come dey disturb. Herdsmen, 3 group like that, they enter my farm. I open eye, they look them when they disturb my crops. Attempt make I tell them say, make they come on for farm go dey chop. They say make I go meet Saraki the Enoge. Say now if they don't settle down, now I make them they chop anything. I say carry na wheat, corn na wheat. Say make I go tell Enoge. Say now I collect money when they make that they do am. So we meet the Enoge. Enoge say 2019. He said the money he don't collect now 1 year. Say make we see the money bring back. Make we let the year end. 2019 end. He go tell them collect another money. 2019 no even end. November. When we go January, they don't already give am money for 2020 by November 2019. So he still beg us, may we let that money expire by December 2020. But this year, now we say no. We not fit because only who call himself Enoge. Say if they chop, he not get farm. If they collect money from cattle dealers, may they go to destroy our own. As of today, I go tell you, if you fit go my farm, go see how they destroy my farm. All the money when I invest for the farm this year, in preparation to harvest next year, that means next year, me and my family go dey hungry.
Okay, which communities now this state don't affect now?
The communities when it just they affect, now still the 6 communities when the Enoge say in the rule. Now other camps still day.
Okay, I know the community.
Now Ugonoba day. Ugoneki day.
Ugonoba day?
Yeah. Ugoneki. Okwekme. I'm coming. Okogo day. Ubanyo day. Agosawe day. Ugomoson day. Igbogiri day. Ube day. You see all these communities. All those are ago when he join now, when he day inside. Oh, they are up to about 12, 13 communities.
But since then, now, cows still arrive in our community.
They're full bush now. As we dey here, they talk so. If you go fit follow us, you go see say that they bush now, we dey house now because of the fear. Make they not go they kill us. They bush, they chop our farm now.
Okay, I want beg on Monobane to Okwa the second state government and federal government. Your people wait there for who their local government, they're not the fit go farm again. Okay, what do you concern you for this matter?
Seriously, it concern me very well.
Leave the microphone and
It concern me very well.
It concern you?
Yes.
First of all, you be farmer.
Exactly. Number one.
What did they happen?
What did they happen for our area? The thing don't tie us. Since 9 years ago, all this complaint they come out. Our farm, if we carry farm before we know, they will go to eat on our crop. Overnight, they will go to graze on our crops. When we reach there, anyone when we meet, he go say not be cow. If we move this one, he go say not be cow. At the end of the day, person go day weak. He not go know who we want meet. Now we're going to find out who they do all these things. We come here say carry the Hausas. We collect money from them.
Okay. There's difference between Hausa.
Herdsmen.
Herdsmen.
Now he
Now
carry
herdsmen, then they carry cow.
herdsmen enter our bush. Say make them dey feed on our cross. Then not be only cross that they feed on now. But the every economic trees when we plant, they will just eat on it, they destroy it. Both banga or now when we plant, they will plant it, then yam no go damage it. So now we don't tire. And the cows when they put for here, we go interview them, because they tell us that the cow when there is 202 trailers of cow. What they put for our bush. If you read there at the top now,
102 trailers.
You will fear. Now, none of our women they go from again.
Baba,
None of our
this now you be senior citizen, and you are more than 60 to 70 years now.
Yes.
Waiting they happen for this your company.
We tire because this our road harness. What did they do? Good. They give them money. Community no know. Now all our clothes, like my own, they don't go there 3 times. I don't get food now. If I go meet and I make borrow me money, no borrow me money. Oh my carry, I know they see food again. I bet more airports make they carry their cow come out. You want that you see?
No, as an elder, are you not saying that the Noji is aware of the cow where they call it into that crop?
Yes. He's aware.
I can go meet and ask him.
Go meet her. He's aware. Go meet her.
So what do you want me to come do now?
I better come make the help you pull all the cow.
That's the end of that video. Uno man had a key man. I'll be telling people, now Edo people be Edo people problem. Not be Una the canon. You are just disturbing that man because of your stupidity and you refuse to think. Who is to help these people right now? I think maybe something might be done about it. If Obaseki now can't go arrest one Enogi, why did you? Because I'll be telling you, because I'm a very truthful person. I say right from time that the matter on ground is beyond Obaseki. That the traditional ruling council, all these Enogi, they should mobilize themselves on how they held a peaceful protest to signal Abuja so that the Abuja himself will know that it is the people that owns the land who want these people to live, not Obaseki. None of them want to do it. Okay, look at what Enogi does now. If one person now can't go call someone from the village there, they'll come call an Ogyomba. Is it not what you guys know how to do? You the Efulefus and the sophisticated moron, if you want to talk to this Enogi now, how you go to address him? For collecting money from Fulani herdsmen, and they are grazing his people he was supposed to be taking care of. They are grazing their farm. How you go to address this? I will not blame myself that I become talking on media, trying to put things right. Because I think the most tribe I've seen that who believe in working in injustice are Edo people. Most of them, they like injustice. That's why when most of them are in problem, they want you to also go the same mode with them. Even when they know that what they are fighting is not good, they know headway about it. How will you solve this kind of problem? In which platform in this whole thing, in this whole period of time since this thing started, that you have seen that this thing has been analyzed? They don't talk about it. If it's a political issue, they can insult their governor. But you dare not talk to any Enogi. If you say it, you are gone. Okay, only Enogi life right now is better than millions of people or thousands of people. He collected money, go and be grazing. After all, na Gari. Till for 2 weeks now, they said he ran away from home. Please, this message go to His Excellency. I'm also going to be doing a broadcast tomorrow. I must make sure I trigger this very thing. This man should be get arrested. And I think there is a sense why a lot of things need to be put in place in Edo State. The situation in Nigeria, if things are done where the way it ought to be, I think it's not everything that's supposed to even affect Edo State. That's why I say Edo people is Edo people's problem. Edo people is Edo people's problem. There are a lot of policy that is not coming from the federal. Enogi just collect money, just pro. Maybe not sign the make about it, maybe not sign the fulanization. I mean, you guys can stay there, no problem. Why is he enogi? To set the people out or to protect them? Because you find out that this whatever of a thing, we don't need them again. The way Rome was banished and Greece, a lot of people do have this palace of a thing before. Even Germans, they have it. Because the money we are spending on this institution is just a waste. Because they are not, it's not really yielding anything. If we are going to leave the May Palace there in Benin, that one should be there, should be rebranded, pursue away all those nicompos who try to turn our tradition upside down. I think as a grown man today, I know what tradition is all about. Our tradition is tied to the Bible under normal condition. Edo tradition is tied to the Bible. Edo tradition was supposed to also be like the Bible. Holy Bible, that's the way it is. That's how I know it to be. It's in the book of Luke 6 verse 31. Do unto others likewise what you may want them to do to you. Is it's in the book of Matthew 5 verse 7. Blessed are the merciful, for they shall obtain mercy. That's why I do tell us at times. I think it was our forefathers, those forefathers that wrote the Bible. But how now come today? Everything has been turned. Even some attitude of some Edo people, that is, it is not in this world. It does not exist in any book. Where did you get it from? A lot of moral right people are claiming today. I'm wondering, why are you people overturning this whole thing? We know. No, we are not francophone. We are not francophone. We not be gogobirio. Now the same land we for grow. Now so things be. Those when we are growing up, something happen. As soon as you go to any kidun or work out or whatever, solution will be they'll find a solution. Just the way this issue is today. If you were to be before, do you know what they are going to do? They'll first send Egeli or Igbama to go and consult Oracle. They have to first to go and consult Oracle right now to see how they can chase this Fulani. I mean, where Amoko Buyan, we carry war, go meet them, one go drive their cow, say the thing on fire. They'll come go consult Oracle. So if they consult that Oracle come, some people go come, maybe they go to the neighboring village, or they'll go see for the chief priest for the town where they know say see they see where. They'll say, okay, Enogi give marry, see what you will come do. They'll confirm. If they confirm say, okay, this one will want go so, then say I want be. Then they'll come select youth now. Now the community go see stand, mark jars for their body, both gun or cutlass, they go cook them, send them for the war. That's what I know Edo to be. But the new Edo right now is not Edo. And I'm not a part and parcel of this very Edo. This is not how Edo is supposed to be. We have one of the most richest culture when you can talk about, but people turn it. You are even modernizing it, you are not modernizing it well. You are tagging people to become enemy to their own father. Just because of your stupidity, because of your greed of money. Who it is also right now. I think a lot of things need to be reformed. And they are restructuring Nigeria. Our traditional institute need to be restructured. Under normal condition, Edo culture is the same thing like the Bible. Nothing more. Nothing more. Nothing more. I remember when our father used to talk to us right now. Everything my father, my parents told me, I see everything in the Bible. You don't even need all that. If you are really a Edo person, you have your brain set up. You don't need to even go to church before you make heaven. Because the culture will straighten you. But right now, everything will be changed. Turn upside down. How will an entity, waiting they not send you, you go do one? Look how they are banishing all of them. Look at that idiot that do wear dirty clothes. I think it'll be banished right now. Where is it today? But most of you feel, because he's wearing those who must afford you, that he's right in everything that he's doing. I told you. If at all you want to even serve, you do serve it with faithfulness. Otherwise, it go boomerang against you. The people you are calling enemy today, people like us who will come and say, okay, you know, but why go do one like this? Now me they talk say bad. We will never get punishment. If what I'm saying is a lie, may I not know no peace. But if it is true, you just want to turn it, peace will be far away from you. I don't use sentiment to do anything. You were one first a farmer. You remember how you will show Gary those days, you will use a plantain leaf take cover. But you forgotten all those things today because you are in your stupid abroad. The life of the farmer no longer matters to you. I remember about 30 years ago, someone mocked me, say I clear 100 by 100 naira. I never even know say job where I go do say it was 100 by 100 plots. Not that the family were not okay. I've been a man who want to always have extra money on my pocket. Or till somebody use and laugh me. I love when I'm rapport with some people. Somebody told me, say anything I'm poor to make other people rich. I think my mate are sleeping right now. A lot of people that like doing sack, they've done sack. Okay, now ask whosoever you are following, what is it contributing to the society or to the state where it belongs from? A lot of people will say it is when you want to insult people they know you are fighting for your community. No. If any Igbo man stupidly start insulting your ancestral land, the gods will punish him. But there are a lot of things you yourself need to concentrate on, which is to protect your ancestral land from the Janjaweed Fulani. Could you know, if everybody take this very update case, Ojonwe, why are you not the one? This Ojonwe will be called to the palace. And the necessary action will be taken on him. Why will you sell your people out? What's happening? This is how they do it. All of them, the same thing. Because it does not go to farm. People pay tribute. Then you expect tomorrow the people from the society. Let even assume your own father were key in the farm. It was Ojonwe that collected money from Fulani. Then you still go and meet the Ojonwe that talk by it. Ojonwe are tough young. You see where the oppressive manner comes from. Where people don't want to know the blind. The reason why people are doing what they are doing. Everybody cannot just be hypocritical like you know. Everybody cannot be hypocrite. No. In every given society, we have our different way of doing things. You may love, as we are growing up those days, there are some fathers, some elderly men, the jazz they have is to spoil communities. The mercy they have is to spoil communities. The people today is even supporting these same people, like all these Ojonwe right now, who have sold out their people. 2019, you collected money, so okay now, make the year your lapse. If the year don't elapse, then I not collect from them again. Then 2020, still go collect money. Okay, major. Then you collected and that. They say for 2 weeks right now, it have been on the run because you know what you have done. Why will you be so wicked? Why will you be so wicked? Now you expect tomorrow. Now people go see your children, respect them. Whatever thing you do right now, whether you are a Nogi, whether you are chief, whether you are a governor, you are a commissioner, it's going to be documented down for you. If you can't repeat, your children will repeat. We are in a new era whereby nothing you do now that will skip off. It must come back to you. So you better advise your father and your mother. Tell them, let's assume my father was a community destroyer. I don't think I'll be talking today. I don't think I can even move freely here abroad. I must see somebody who will come stone me. Because he's trying to react right now over what my father did. Look at the Ojonwe now. What name did he leave behind? How these people go to take care of themselves? How they go to feed? Fear of going to farm. It's happening everywhere. It's happening. It's just that these people right now, thank God that TV went there. A lot of them have no phone to even video. Even there are some of their children, Janjaweed children abroad, they've abandoned their auntie, they have abandoned their fathers and their mothers in the village. That's why you are not listening it in social media. Because they don't care. They are following programs, looking for miracles, waiting to hear what one idiot did. What do they have to do? It's happening in the Bible. Nothing is the full Bible now. Why would that one take your time? The main thing we are supposed to do for our society, nobody want to do it. But tomorrow you see all of them who are serious. The only way we are doing this in do is to insult people and indict them into some certain nonsense. That was again. Nobody talked about, nobody do a lecture about this. I've been the one consecutively who have always said the way it is. And Apostle Alfred Uyosa. Lest I forget, I want to be sounding a very sound warning to this Nancy Adenya. I've not met you before, and the way I'm saying things, I don't think you are one of those people I ever want to see in my life. You went and sue your own brother. And it is the kind of dirty politics you guys played. You've forgotten how Obaseki were mocked. How many people did Obaseki sue? It didn't sue anybody. But because you know, say now, it didn't. You for consume me. You for consume me. You for consume me. I would just advise you go and take that case away from the court, or that I will go bully you for social media. You are going to face hell. It's a warning. Nesi Adenya, I no one even know you. Whether you get ahead, I no one know. Leave Apostle Alfred Uyosa alone. Why you not go blame for we put on for internet? Me not even know whether you even date. I don't even know you. Why will you do such a thing? You for consume me. Leave in your case, my name they pay, my address even they. Fan letter come for me. When I get me a better guy. Dirty politics will not they play. You from here they make court case with somebody with the Nigeria. Why so go kwa? Because we're men in the go. It's sympathizer and look at me very well. Maybe me have a fresh somewhere in any way. Any UK way. That down at UK will be demonic, satanic kingdom for the whole world. No wonder you get the command where the UK government gets. You're not sorry for that man because he supported Obaseki. If now you support the government where you support, you use that kind of word. You go sue him. You go. Why you not sue that person? More than sue me. Make una sue person like me. Sue me. Whether not be hand to hand again. He do see whether don't we get it worry. A police arrest see Magmina. Okay, double case. I don't know what's wrong with some people. What have you, Nesi Adenya, what have you said about Fulani killing your brothers and sisters in the village in Benin? Who were Ruao? Nesi Adenya, who Ruao? I will look for your picture. Me oru wa de kesi me wa bai. Nene labe no file in your lawsuit. I don't even know whether you are my brother. Yen we make a gume gwande, but I hate people no underestimate man. Where do you say that man should get the money from? Wickedness. How many this thing have you wrote to protect your land? All of you want to go. Thank God the politics. This is the end of the politics. This is the end of the politics. I will ask for your pictures. You know, any man will wear in the way. Because you only go away. People like you that are very stubborn, who can quickly run to the court. You might well sober your way, man. Maybe at the end of the day, self. Where TV have even win, maybe a hotel we ball if one away a ball. Stupid set of people everywhere. What have you been contributing about insecurity in Edo State? Is Apostle Alfred Uyosa supposed to be your major problem? Is it no? What did that man do? Supporting the government with the Bible. Is there anything that man did that was contrary to the word of God? Where you go so and put? Okay, as I can't see this one now for internet na TV carrier. I can't show one. They know you can't say one sue me. I enter internet. How your matter to enter internet? You don't go look for them. When I'm here, I go like bitter guy. Me awa got the problem. Me awa go where we ewe bo ma wo weji. Me I think I have to back part of this very case. Nonsense. Poor man wait for they do they go there. What about the rest things you have done for Edo people? Why they running? Emi yasu yi. I hate too much nonsense. You better go and carry that case away from the court. I got full egbuwa. Enuna may not sound power of Tony Nweno. You go and be flying to, okay, what are you looking for from that man? If at all you even win the case, he go see money, he go see, go use and do ritual. He go see money pay you. Why you not go sue your mate? Go sue Matthew Rohide. Why you not sue the governor where you can pay for? Only I am a woman. How many people you don't sue for UK? A Queen of England who never sue at UK. They're not the cause there. A Boris Johnson one by me title bell. Very dotawo kena a UK one a kingdom of a demon. Here do damage. Cannot get out to take talk. E we bona mayaje, we know wetin dey. No know who one most in the UK ni. And where they live like some of them where they live like this thing. I don't neck and the toilet in a cave flush. Now come they do kati. Who na the kati for? Not be saying jam with day. I be not be as we they complain for life, be not be as we they complain. Who we mwigo ko ware? I be to we any 14 hour we be over ne. Are you be pilot? Go and withdraw that case. We are respectable. What have you both contributed work to the well-being of the people in Edo State? The politics you have been running right from time. Go and look at everywhere. Now you're not getting look at what you're doing to his people. What is your comment about this? Why not sue him? Or report him to UN, international community. They're not enough for that. Who are making a mosenane wana view about water. You don't sue me so no sue me so sopa who wana who was stubborn. No what sue me sopa who wa. E wana work be na wake up. Okbeni ke nyako one of una mo na fall for my trap. I go tell una say me o do one tolegbe or ta tolegbe. What me want intimidate. I saw the news today. I was just kind of what are these people doing? Suing this man for what? Lebe. What sue you know? Election phone. Was there sue governor? A man is support. Where sue me? My name is Nutig Minigun. Where sue me? Rien go again. Nonsense. That's how they be. They can never contribute anything better. I want me know they are not suffocated. The same thing they are doing to me here. The same thing a lot of animals are doing today. You just carry because a person they talk through. You just carry get a BB for them. International bad belly. And I heard yage managmo. Any no thing with me. No matter how you try to do it, but you don't worry anymore by. Tell them that one new thing Benigo insulted you is his pain. The man will make Odessa or the Odessa National of Madrid. One me one home base, one was suppressed. UK rebe man. UK fire. Nonsense. Please let me end this video here. When I do love it, they don't say na so ma yiva. But what say na so ma yiva? Ogbo omo you are. E mama tie boni remember during campaign. E mama robi me. Then if the kitchen is too hot for you, you get fucking out of that place. That's what you get when you are into politics. That's what you get. People must say all manner of things against you. They lied against Donald Trump. Several times they lied against him. He only told them that November, say, walk around the DC. He said, now immobilize. They can't lie against him and say, now immobilize. Carry people down, make them go destroy Washington. They lie against him. But after the case in the court and all of that, they wanted to impeach him. They found that everything was sorry. Some of the things BBC said about Donald Trump, they later apologized for it. Why you not come ask? How did you get this information? That you are coming to Nigeria to come and ring election. If you doesn't have such mind, how will you come on media? Will they say I will come to Nigeria to come and ring election if you are not be doing this somehow? We only may investigate to where NSC and Denya. We all not any man way anyway. Ni me dig where we bona. We only may dig where we bo. We only dig you, I will dig you. Imoto me pan I stumble. Stop. This intimidation must have to stop in Edo State. All this intimidation must have to. Mo ya fi osisi. Egbo na mi atalapa. Ave mi ofenba. All these are intimidation. If it's a man of your capacity now, we have the same capacity. I will call it the same capacity. Because we in the court. We should stop this nonsense. I'll make look at it today. Video. Share this video with that very person. Go and check your profile. Niga woman okay. Don't not say ni awa gugwan ni awa gele wa gbugbe yo ohun wa hin. Because I want to follow people with potential. Ya wa agbo emi gbo ever. What kind of dirty behavior is that? You go and withdraw that case. We are withdrawing. Or the old Biafra will unleash on you. I will mobilize all my members. We will unleash on you. This is an international association. Yeah, I will first of all show you what I'm capable of doing. Nonsense in let them properly investigated you. They not have in every element of rumor there is a truth inside. They tell matter everywhere. How come about your matter in the media? Why are the media? You are dragging the man because you're buying it. Good night, everyone, and God bless you.